What happened in the tragic motorcycle accident involving the Real Housewives star's ex-husband? The shocking details reveal more than just an accident. They expose a story of loss, speed, and sudden tragedy. In the tragic motorcycle accident, the Real Housewives star's ex-husband was riding along a sharp, winding road known for its hazards. Reports confirm that he lost control, causing the motorcycle to slam into a guardrail at a high speed. Emergency responders arrived quickly, but the severity of the crash left little chance for survival. This area has a history of accidents due to its challenging curves and limited visibility, making the incident sadly not isolated. While weather conditions were clear and visibility was good, investigators pointed to excessive speed as a major factor. The rider's speed significantly exceeded the recommended limit for that stretch of road, impairing his ability to navigate curves safely. Motorcycle accidents often involve speed as a critical factor, especially on roads with sharp turns. Additionally, no evidence suggested impairment or mechanical failure, focusing the cause on rider error compounded by road design. This tragic event deeply affected the Real Housewives community and the ex-husband's family, who mourned this sudden loss. It brought renewed attention to motorcycle safety, especially regarding speed control and route risk assessment. Motorcycle fatalities continue to be a serious concern nationwide, with many crashes linked to speed and road hazards. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the dangers motorcyclists face every day. The tragic motorcycle accident involving the Real Housewives star's ex-husband reminds us how quickly life can change on the road. Understanding the risks and respecting speed limits could save lives. For more surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and join us daily.